My name is Torisheju Akia-Ejo. I'm a Nigerian performer. I do theater, direct, produce, act, costume, set design, construction, and a touring manager. So, 360 theater, 360 performance.
Okay, thank you. Next question is, what do you think about the idea of building an informal court inside the prison?
The idea to build an informal court inside the prison is a brilliant idea. One I hope meets huge success and is replicated in all the prisons in Nigeria. Not only in Nigeria, that's why I think the case is very beautiful. Look, many of the people I insist, many of the people in prison, they never make it to court. We know what the judicial system is. We know what the bureaucracy is. We know what the bottlenecks are. Even when you are granted your day in court, you just might not make your day in court because not enough logistics has been put into place. I mean, so if there is a system where you are in prison and you have an idea of what the court looks like, on your day in court, you won't be left out. I mean, you would because you've seen these images. You've probably gone through some training, so you know that the man with the white is the judge. You know who your defense lawyer is. You know how to even comport yourself. I mean, it goes a long way. You know where to be. You know what kind of demeanor to bring up that day, and it prepares you mentally, because if you're not prepared for a battle, you will lose that battle. If you don't plan to succeed, you've successfully plan to fail. So at least that experience, that real life experience, that situational room, it would be beneficial to all of them. And who knows, this might be an informal court, but this also might be a way for governments around the world, knowing that they don't have enough court premises. It can be a real court. It can be a real court where a judge comes in once in a month, sentences people, because around the world we know that people who are awaiting trials, they're actually more than people who are actually sentenced. So for instance, I say it again, for instance, you have 10 people who are awaiting trial, and you would have only 2 people who've been convicted of their crime, but they're all in the same space, putting pressure on the space. For you that you are awaiting trial, you've not been convicted. No one has said you're guilty, but you are awaiting trial, and you're awaiting trial for so long. Some of the cases, some people who are awaiting trial, the lucky ones, their first day, they find out that the case lacks any kind of merit, and they're asked to go. But can you imagine how many years they've wasted? So I really do hope that short term, the inmates get more comfortable in the courtroom, but long term, that government see this mobile informal court, they see it as a mobile court and use it to let justice heal more people. Yeah, so that's what I hope. Thank you.